everybody, it's Lynn again in the kitchen, and today in the kitchen we're going to be cooking up potato salad. And I thought I'd bring y'all along and show you just how easy and simple it is to make a big recipe of potato salad. We've got our potatoes boiling for our potato salad. Now that I've got my potatoes boiled to fork tender, I can go ahead now and start peeling my potatoes. When they first get through, you can add cool water to them, and that helps them cool down a little bit so you can actually hold them to get them peeled. Now that I've got them peeled, we're going to go ahead and dice them up in bite-sized pieces. There's nothing better than warm potato salad. Now that I've got all my potatoes diced up, we're going to go ahead now and add our 4 boiled eggs. And I've also diced my eggs up too. And now I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of purple onions. Those purple onions give your potato salad that taste you're looking for. And we're going to add about 3 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of dill relish. You could use sweet relish or dill. Today we're using dill. And I'm going to add a good heaping teaspoon of black pepper. And about 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. You could use any salt of your choice. And now we're going to add just the old-fashioned yellow mustard, probably around 1½ tablespoons. And now I'm going to add around 1 cup of mayonnaise. It takes a lot of mayonnaise and mustard for this amount of potatoes when you're making potato salad. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a mix and see if it's enough mayonnaise. We may have to add more after we get it mixed up. Now that I got it mixed, it's a little dry, so I'm going to add about another 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise and give it a good mix. Now I have it just the way I want it. And now I'm going to add me some fresh green chives to the top. This gives it a little taste, but it also just makes it pretty. And here is the finished potato salad. Okay, everybody, that's our potato salad recipe for today. If you like our video, we would appreciate a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching. And if you consider subscribing, don't forget to hit the red button down below.